guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, I'm Brittany. How you doing? Welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be filming a first impression slash wear test on the new IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Foundation Full Coverage Moisturizer. Now this is not completely new. I think they just revamped the packaging and they now have it inside stores, because before it was only like on QVC or something like that. Don't quote me on it. But anyways, we're going to be testing it on my face today. We're going to be doing a wear test. I'm going to wear it throughout my day. As you can see, I have it on right now, so it's kind of like a little sneak peek. But for reference, I do have oily combination skin, so I get mainly oily right here on my nose area and sometimes on my T-zone, depending on like which foundation I'm wearing and stuff like that. I do have some acne scars going on, so we're really going to see how it covers. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say. So if you guys want to see this first impression slash wear test, then go ahead and keep watching. Okay guys, so they decided to mow the lawns as soon as I started to film. So if you guys hear anything, I'm so sorry in advance. But we're gonna go ahead and get started. I have nothing on my face right now. It's freshly washed. I actually don't have my moisturizer just because I ran out of my moisturizer. So I've just been using this as like a 2-in-1 like you're supposed to, but I still feel like you need moisturizer, but it's okay because what we're gonna be trying today is basically a moisturizer. So I'm just gonna go ahead and prime with this. This is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. So I don't have the actual packaging of the product just because I got a sample first and it's just in this little container. I got a sample from the IT Cosmetics vendor that we have at our store. If you don't know, I work at Ulta, and she really wanted me to try it out, so she gave me a big sample and I'm really excited. And this is really cool because I could actually try the product, and if I don't like it, I don't have to purchase it and waste any money. And so yeah, I'm super excited. If you don't know what the packaging looks like though, it's a squeeze tube and it has like a pump. I'll probably have a picture of it on the screen. And so it retails for $39, I believe. Let me go ahead and check on that and see if that's right. Okay, yeah, it retails for $39.50 on Ulta.com, and I have the shade Light. And so what it says is that Bye Bye Foundation is a full coverage moisturizer with SPF 50. It's your first ever full coverage moisturizer from IT Cosmetics that gives you the power to say bye-bye to the traditional foundation and hello to your most beautiful skin. Developed with plastic surgeons, your innovation and problem solver is designed to help cover and improve the skin and skin concerns, including redness, pores, dark spots, breakouts, lines, and wrinkles, all while protecting your skin with SPF 50. It also features 7 key fermented ingredients to increase the absorption and efficacy of your skincare. Plus, oh my gosh, they have some big words in here. Okay, basically it's supposed to be good for your skin and have good skincare ingredients. And so yeah, it's basically kind of the same thing as their IT Cosmetics CC cream. I've only tried that once and it was very recently and it was really glowy on my skin. That's all I really noticed because I didn't pay attention throughout the day, and I had got the shade medium and it was too dark for me. But a lot of people are thinking that this IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Foundation is a foundation and that it's going to be super like full coverage foundation, but it's not a foundation. As you guys heard, it is a full coverage moisturizer. So I feel like that's what the difference is between the other one. The other one is a CC cream, so it's color correcting and it's mixed with a serum. This one is a full coverage moisturizer, so it's like a tinted moisturizer with more coverage, if that makes any sense. And so that's how I knew I would be the shade Light, just because I had tried the medium and the other one and it was too dark. And so yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. I feel like my primer is already soaked in, and as you can see, she gave me a hefty sample, which I'm super excited about. So I'm going to try this side with my beauty blender, and I want to try the other side with a brush just because this is like a moisturizer and I feel like it won't have that much coverage compared to like what I'm used to. And so I'm going to try the other side with a brush. The color seems like it's going to be okay. I feel like their colors run kind of dark just because this is shade Light, and I feel like I'm a medium skin tone, and for it being shade Light, it's pretty dark, you know? And so yeah, I'm just going to blend that in with my damp beauty blender and see how that looks. It smells really good. It smells like oranges. Ooh, that smells good. It actually does have really nice coverage. Do you guys see that? Covers just like a foundation. And it's like the perfect match for me. Ignore Hudson in the background. I actually thought it was going to be really sheer with the Beauty Blender, but it is blending out really nicely. And it has really good coverage. I feel like the only thing it's not covering on this side is like this little scar right here. As you can see, it's a little bit still pink. And maybe some scars up here, but I'm also going to build it up. But first, I'm going to try doing the other side with a brush and see if the coverage changes. I actually want to try a new brush today because I got one as gratis and I really want to try it out. It's this one from Real Techniques. It was like limited edition packaging and it seems like it would be a really good foundation brush. It's called the BBCC brush. Oh, that's cool because we're trying like a tinted moisturizer. So it should be perfect for this. And I'm just going to blend this out. It feels so weird using a brush because I'm so used to a sponge. I can't get over the smell. It smells delicious. I feel like it's actually a little bit more sheer with the brush, which is crazy, but I feel like this side has more coverage. What do you guys think? I don't know. I just got so used to a sponge that I like a sponge a lot more. So now I'm just going to go ahead and build it up on those areas I need a little bit more coverage. So like this scar right here on my chin. And then I have some leftover scars up here as well. If I look red under my brows, I just plucked them. And so they're a little irritated. So I could tell right off the bat that it has a really glowy finish, kind of like the CC cream did. I feel like it's a little less luminous, but I'm not sure. I only tried the CC cream once, like I said. It's building up really nicely. Just going over this side with the sponge because I feel like the brush kind of left some streaks. Oh my gosh, I really like the way it's looking so far. It does look a little bit more dewier on camera just because of my lights, but it is pretty dewy. It has like a nice luminous finish. It covers so nice, but I don't have a lot of stuff going on right now. All I have on my face right now is a little bit of scars, not so much active acne. Let me zoom you in. The color is perfect. So far, I'm really liking it. Let me look at my pores. My pores are a little bit blurred out, but you could definitely still see them. So it's not like crazy pore filling or anything. Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my makeup off camera and then I'll be back on camera to show you how everything looks together after I set it and added concealer and everything. And so I will be right back. Oh, and it is now 1:14, and so that's when I got done applying the full coverage moisturizer. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm done getting ready now. It is now 2:14. Hopefully you could see that. Let me go ahead and zoom you in to show you how everything is looking. Okay, so this is how everything looks together. I had no problems blending all my makeup together. Everything blended on top very nicely. As you can see, I look a lot more matte, and that's because I baked like I usually would. I will have everything I used on my face in the description down below if you want to know. But I just did my usual routine that I would do every day. I try not to put that much highlight on my nose because I do get really oily there, and I don't want to blame it on the foundation or the moisturizer if I do get oily. So I only put it on the bridge of my nose right here, and then I have highlight on my cheeks, of course, and everywhere else is pretty matte. I am loving the way it looks. It looks super natural on the skin. I do tend to look really dry on my forehead usually, and I don't look as dry. I mean, I still kind of do a little bit right here, but it's not crazy, and so far, so good. I think it looks really nice on my skin. I'm actually pretty surprised because I thought it was going to be really lightweight and not really have that much coverage, but to me it does look like an everyday kind of foundation that I would wear. Okay guys, with that being said, I am going to have a normal day today. I have work later. I'm going to wear this throughout my whole day, so I'm probably going to be wearing it for more than 8 hours, and we're going to see how it holds up on my skin. And yeah, I'm super excited. So far, it's looking really good, and I'll check back in with you guys later. Hey guys, so I just got off work. It's the end of the day now. It's 9:47. You guys see that? So I've had the foundation on for about 8 hours, or not foundation. I keep wanting to call it foundation, but it's a full coverage moisturizer. And I was kind of looking at it at work, trying to get my thoughts in order. And so basically I did not get as oily as I thought I was gonna be, because it's saying like full coverage moisturizer. I thought it was gonna have a lot of luminosity to it, and I was gonna be super greasy by the end of the day, since I do have oily combination skin. And as you can see, I'm a little bit oily on my nose, but that's pretty much it. And I'm not oily anywhere else, so I really like that fact about it. Let me go ahead and zoom you in. Sorry guys if I'm talking weird, I feel like I'm losing my voice. But yeah, that is just oil on my nose, and I didn't blot or anything, and it's not that crazy, which is pretty cool. It lasted pretty good on my skin, so if you have oily skin, don't be afraid of this. Maybe if you have like super oily skin, it might not work out for you, but my oily combination skin held up pretty nicely. So I do notice some creasing right here where I get my laugh lines. It's creased pretty bad on this side. And another thing that I noticed about it is that it's really cakey, like in the little crevices of my nose. It's kind of breaking apart. Hopefully you could tell on camera. I don't like the way that looks. I think it looks kind of gross. It looks like everything's just kind of balling up in the outer corners of my nose. And one pro that I did notice about it is that my pores look really filled in, really flawless. Hopefully you could tell on camera. Another thing that I like about it is the color. I think it's a perfect match for me. So if you're my skin tone, you're going to be the shade light, and it's going to work perfectly for you. And so yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say about this. So far I'm really liking it. Do I really want to run out and buy it right away? No, I'm not that crazy about it to want to like purchase it right away. I think I'm just going to go ahead and use up my sample and see if I grow to love it more, or if I grow to dislike it more. I don't know yet. I feel like I need to put it more to the test with more days of wearing it, if you know what I'm saying. So overall, it's a really good product. If you want to try it and you have dry skin, I think you're really gonna love it. Even if you have oily combination skin like me, the coverage is really, really nice. I just don't like that it's kind of cakey on my nose, like I said. So yeah, those are my final thoughts. I'm gonna go ahead and keep testing it out, and I'll update you guys in future videos. But that's pretty much all I have to say about it right now. I did want to say that if you have the IT Cosmetics CC cream and you wanted to know if you should buy this one because if it was better or something, it is not. I feel like they're the same kind of concept and thing. They both have SPF 50 and they both have the same amount of coverage. They both like luminous on the skin, so I feel like if you have one, you don't need the other one. And maybe if you have the CC cream and you run out, then go ahead and try the new one, but don't like feel like you have to have both, because you do not. I feel like you only need one of them. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say about this product. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up so I can know to keep doing these first impression / wear test. And I'm ready to go to bed and rip these eyelashes off. And so I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.